I don't know what that was. I'm at school. It's Monday, January 26th. And it's my birth week. I'm 20. I don't know what this vlog is gonna be about. Pero, let's see. I'm here na sa school. Ako pa lang mag-isa cause kakarating ko lang. And nasa flag sem yung other classmate ko. And yung ibang classmates ko is 9 pa yung first sub. Ako 8. So, yeah. I don't know what this vlog is gonna be about. Pero let's see na lang. Dapat yung intro ng vlog ko is me getting ready. Pero nag-church ako and I was like playing music. So, hindi na ako nakapag-film. But yeah, this is the start of my vlog. Let's see na lang kung magiging chaos ba to or it'll finally make sense. So yeah, let's wait for my other classmates na lang. Putla ako na. Ano ba yung mga vlog nila? Si King. Ay.
Okay. Kasi, nagiging effort.
Bakit?
Kasi ano, siya yung pinakabata sa team nila, tapos iniisip daw sa kanya like, kaya lang siya nagtatrabaho para may pag-ibig sa bago.
So what? Grabe yung hangout naman to. Sige, do na. Ha?
Yung ano,
Mapit. Diba? Parang ang saya.
sama mo friends.
Oo.
Guys, we're here at Ria's house.
Ah, sige, take.
Mag-rant ako. May baka isama mo to sa vlog mo. Okay lang.
Di ba binabalik?
Brand.
Thunder Dish.
Babae po ba?
Ay, sige po. Thank you po.
Hi guys. May pasabog ang Nika. May pasabog si Nika. Grabe. January 27 pa lang ngayon. Bukas pa birthday ko. Pinadala niya na regalo niya. Pero yung pinaka-memorable na regalo niya is yung nandito. Nakalagay, things to do. Ano kaya itong things to do na to? Wow! Ang galing! Aww. Case na letter. Ang binigay. Grabe, ang sweet. Aww. Alam ko kung bakit may wipes dito. May ano siya, may note siya. Sa'yo po ito nakilala mo. Yung sobrang random na may cup noodles, guys. Wala ako mahanap sa Sour Patch Boy. Din ako eh. Tapos may blotting oil, blotting paper. Last face mask. Kasi so, it's January 28th, birthday, and I'm gonna go Beijing. I don't know if mag-boulder pa ako. I don't think this outfit is for boulder. So, yeah. My plans on today is, ayun, Makati, and then I'm gonna go Expo. Kasama si Timmy, and then Heaven. I'm gonna go have drinks. Makeup is looking really good today. It's probably because hindi pa ako nag-makeup. Hindi ako nag-makeup. Hindi ako nag-makeup for like a week. And then, nag-combo ko. So, really natural and stuff.
Hey guys, so andito ako sa Roma ngayon. Change of plans cause go muna sa tita ko. So yeah, nandito sila sa Summit Hotel. Go there. May brows done. So, ayan. Medyo masakit siya. Or hindi lang talaga ako sa... So, I'm gonna fucking cry. Like, naga may nails done, diba? Tapos, this is an inspo pic. Ayan. And then, you can clearly see na parang may pink undertone something. Tapos, yellow yung ginamit nila. I'm gonna cry. This was like 1/7. So, I'm trying to find a bathroom right now. Kasi naiiyak ako. It really looks so bad. It looks so bad. Pero, oh my god. About earrings. Ayan, suot ko na siya para hindi ako umiyak. Gonna go back to the hotel. I'm gonna give the card back, the key card sa tita ko. And then I'm gonna go na sa Expo.
Second drink na kami. Ayan. tequila ba kuya? On tequila.
Hello, sir.
Wala na kuya.
Hindi naman, ginawa ko ba yung mga salabog mo? Sabihin mo.
Oh my God. Okay na? Guys, she's canceling because I'm drunk at my birthday. At my birthday! At my birthday! Oh my God, it's my actual fucking birthday. Oh, hello po.
Hi guys. So can you tell from my eyes that I was crying all night? Kasi I was. Actually, I don't know what happened. I know wala yung vape ko. Okay, I'm coming to school. Wait lang.
Thank you. Thank you. Ang babait nila. Hulaan mo. Ang babait. Ang sweet nila. Hoy! Hindi! Malay mo. Thank you, thank you.
Si King hindi na.
Tapos next lang. Then mag-start na. Sa baba.
Full town.
Ito yung 2016.
Ayan po ba yung 2016? Hindi. Guys, nasa Rogmag ako ngayon. Going Kilamati.
Imagine you come here and you're hungover as shit. God, ang sakit sa ulo. Tapos, look at the stabs here. It's my eyeliner wipe. Kaya bakit? Hi guys, so it's Saturday ngayon, January 31st, and pupunta ako ngayon kay Lanita. It's already like 8:30 and I'm gonna go sa kanila and we're gonna hang out kasi ano lang, trip ko lang. Actually, wala pa siya sa kanila. She's hanging out with a friend. Anyways, he's catching up with a friend, so mauuna ako sa kanila. So yeah, I'll just see you there. I'm just waiting for my move it.
Ikaw marunong tumakoy, boy?
Patingin mo ka.
Hindi siya marunong tumakoy. Ilang months lang to? Ilang months to ba lang? So cute. Ha? Hindi siya marunong tumakoy, boy.
Page yun. Nice boner. Kaya page. Laki na katawan niya. Kaya tumitigis yung murat niya kasi may age siya. Ay, lamig sa mukha.
It's 3:40 na. Kasi gising lang yung mga 3:30. Natapos kami around like 8. Nakatulog na kami. And may kausap siya. I don't know who.
Si Karina.
What? Kahit
Ganyan sinabi ko nung pangalan ng laro.
oh my God! Kasi naglalaro kami ng games kanina. And like, kinahanap namin yung game na nilalaro namin kapag kasama si Karin. Chinok ko rin si Karin, hindi siya nagre-reply sa akin.
Oo, hindi na rin siya nag-reply sa akin.
Ngayon lang siya nag-reply.
Yung screenshot ng convo nila ni Ayan, kay Ayan niya sinabi. Kasi tinanong ko si Ayan.
Ewan ko ba, ano plano namin today? Na para bang hindi ako uuwi. Hindi uuwi ako, mag-edit ako. So, yun. Propose ko to, so I have a post ng first ko tama. And, nasira yung kuko ko. Sira yung kuko ko. Nakakainis ka kapag gawa ko lang at nasira siya. Ang hyper ko ngayon, I don't know why. So, ma-end this.
Naka-4 to. Tapos lagyan ko ng tanahan.
Hi guys, I'm already home. So, I'm gonna have to vlog here. Para may mapost ako on like Feb 1st. And I can be productive the whole month. Cause, wala lang. I usually post like every 2 weeks. Pero, ang plano ko talaga dati is like post like every week. That's why it's called weekly chapters. Pero kasi I had like, you know, I had a little mental shits going on nun. Kaya hindi ko siya natutuloy. Pero I think I'll be able to post weekly na lang talaga. I say that too confidently. I'm not even sure though. I'm not sure. Pero let's see. Let's see na lang.